Hi, my name's Pete Middleton and I'm the Group HSE Manager at Pincroft in Adlington, Chorley. Today, I'm just going to talk about our management standards that we comply with. We have ISO 14001 for the environment, 9001 for quality, 45001 for health and safety, and last but not least, 50001 energy management systems. Starting with our ISO 9001, this is our quality management standard that drives us to meet our customer quality expectations. We have developed the standard operating procedures for each production line so we can offer the best quality in dyeing, printing and finishing of fabrics in a consistent way. ISO 14001 addresses the environmental impact that we have on our local environment, which we monitor and reduce as much as possible. Our 45001 Health and Safety Management Standard ensures that we provide a safe working environment for our employees and contractors whilst at work, by identifying hazards and reducing the risk of injury. We do this through risk assessment and closing out actions, as well as other improvement tools. And finally, we have ISO 50001 Energy Management System. Over the years, this standard has led us to be more energy efficient. This has driven us recently to install our own combined heat and power plant on site, which allows us to produce part of our electricity we need for our manufacturing processes. These standards are independently monitored and based on continual improvement. This drives us forward to be better, safer and more efficient. For more information about our management systems, please visit our website. Thank you.